Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to use Google Chat, and in this video we are going to make a quick and simple tutorial for you. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we already landed on mail.google.com website, and this is the interface. So if you want to access this website, you need to go in the Google platform and just click over here in this 6 dot button. Once you click over here, you will come up a pop-up box in your desktop, and you will find out various features here, and you need to be select on and scroll down. In here next to the art button, you will find out chat option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will open chat for you. So here you can see the interface. The interface is really friendly for a person, so I hope you already find out various things from this interface. So if you click over here in 3 dot, it will be hide the option. So if you click over here again, it will be like shown for you. Then we have home option, mention option, starter option, then direct message option, space, and also apps option. So here you can see in the right corner we have the profile icon, then we have Google Apps option, then setting option, then support option. Also we have another exciting option, that is active. So whenever you start work on this googlechat.com, then you can active your profile. When you are not in a work, or you just want a simple break or little bit break, then you can make sure that do not disturb, though that time people are not willing to see that you are active or not. In fact, you can choose the time here, how many times, like hours, do you want to take a break, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, whatever you can choose. Then we have another amazing effect, that is set as a way. Like you would take a vacation from your work, or your what kind of a work you do from that place, just click set as a way. So in this way they will find out that you are not on this place right now, you are on your vacation, or you are doing whatever you do. So it's totally up to you. So I will set this active. Once you select the active profile, then you have the option for new chat. Here you can see we can create a new chat from that place, or you can do it from that option too. So I'm going to click over here. Once I click over here, they will ask me in the form that add one or more people here. So by using Gmail account, you can add people in your chat box like this way. I'm going to type a Gmail account here, and they give us suggestion. This is my friend, I am going to talk to him in this chat. So just click over here, and now I am going to click in start chat. Once I click over here, you can see this is our chat box, and here we have really various options. So here I am going to send a message to my friend, hi. So now you can see that we already have a drop down menu option in here by next to our name or our friend name. Just click over here, and you can see we have view member option, we have app and integration option, then we have start another new chat option, then we have mark as unread. It means if you don't want to see the message, like you want to ignore the message, then you can make sure you need to be click on mark as unread. This way the people who sent you message, he will understand that the people not see his message yet. That's why you can ignore them easily. Second option, pin. You can pin the message. Like we have some special people who I wants to talk every minute or every important topic, like important message, so we can pin this option. So in this way, whenever we will visit this website, we will find out them in the top bottom of my interface. So this is amazing option. Then we have mute option, like we can mute our message option, we will not get any notification. Then also we have turn off history. So in this way you can delete your new messages within 24 hours. After spending 24 hours, the message will automatically delete. And then we have the normal option, like block, hide conversation, delete conversation, so we know about it. Second, we can work on it, like we have many various features here, like hi, how are you. So now if you want to do edit on text, like you want to make it more colorful and whatever, like italic, uppercase, so you can do it. Like you can see we already get this rich text option here. If you select the option and make it bold, you just need to be enable it. Once you make bold, it will be bold. Then we can make it italic also, we can do underline, we can change the color option. This is really amazing option. Throughout the process I see. Then we can also give the code here, like by clicking this option. Then we have option code blocks. You can see, like, we can make it list too. Like, it's totally amazing that if you want to make sure a list will be sent, you can make it through this option. Then just click over here. Once you click over here, the message will be sent to your friends. Then we are able to or allowed to access the emoji option. So you can see we can able to do it. Then we have GIF option. In here we will find out many GIFs here to send our friends or our colleagues. Just clicking over here, you can send the GIF. Then we can upload any file we want from our computer. It's also easy. Then we can also send voice message through this option. Like, you need to be click over here. Once you click over here, you will able to do your microphone option. If your microphone is connected with your computer, then you can send your message while you are chatting with your friend or your colleague. So it's really amazing. And the last one is video call. The feature help us to make sure that we can call our friend or our colleague or our family member, and we can see each other by video calling. It's really amazing. Google provides us this option. Second, we have this space option. You can see next to the direct message option. So this is like this section relatively made for our group. Like, it's one kind of a group where we can belong some 100 or 200 people, and we can discuss whatever topic that is. Then we can, let's create a space, and then we will describe more. Like, click on describe, and I will give the space name will be work. I'm going to make a space for my colleagues, so I will click over here, and then I click on create. Once I click over here, then you can see we have three further option. Here we can add how much members we want or how many members we want. We can add here, like again I'm going to search my friend, then I'm going to search another company name. So you can see we can add lots of people in this option. It is a one kind of a group where we can discuss a topic. We can share a file through this group, like our work or our documents file we need to be share it, we can do it. We are able to create pools also here. We can assign tasks to our colleagues also. Like, we can make our to-do list in here, like tomorrow what kind of work we want to complete, what is our target, like task. We can complete our task through this option. So they provide us really grateful features to our make us more productive in this way. So these features help us to make our work organized way. So it will be helpful for us. And here similarly we have this relative options, like we already see in direct message option. Then we have apps option. So here is the main thing, like if you need apps, like you want to add pool, you want to add translator for you, then you can explore this option and you will find out relative apps for you. Like you are looking for a pool option, then you will find out here, you need to be search here and you can see apps from that place, and you just need to be install it. Once you install it, you can just apply those in your Google Chat options. This is a really easy and simple way, so it makes our work so much easy also. So for that reason I will suggest you can use Google Chat for your work and other stuff, or communicate with your friends. So now I already installed a pool, so I can easily right now use those pool for my chat option. So it's really helpful for us. So in the last of the video, I just only give a suggestion that if you watch this video one by one, I am trying my best to describe everything step by step. So just keep your eyes and watch full video again and again, then you will understand everything perfectly and just implement it to your skill. So I hope this video will help you, and if helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will come with a next video, and if you want any specific video, any kind of topic, you can comment me on the comment box. I will make sure that video will be published for you. Thank you. Till then, have a good day.